on na siya. Yun. Tsaka pag tinanggal niya siya,
Ito guys, kahit
off na
umaga,
po.
gabi, maganda siya tingnan nyo kasi white siya. Gabi, tingnan mo mukha kang ano.
guys, promise.
Parang
Guys, pag-
shades lang.
Pag sinuot nito, may instant night vision na. Yan.
Wow.
Pwede nyo titigan yung araw 5 minutes. Hindi
Joke lang,
maganda siya lahat.
Yeah, it has UV protection as well.
Yes.
So you can put it in your eyes and
Yeah.
protect your eyes.
Yeah, that's right.
So cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
And well, I think Kuya Kim, what did you
Siguro ako yung round lang dito.
Yeah.
Ako lang yung round.
So you can
Round
change the
first.
shape of the frame.
Yes,
So,
pero
Lapit
ano?
mo. Para...
Eto guys, alam nyo naman na medyo malabo yung mata ko.
Yung muko ka, hindi nakikita si...
Medyo Medyo malabo yung mata ko, pero kapag ginanon ko siya, nakikita ko na.
Wow!
Napogi ako. Ganun. Pero kapag ganito, nakita ko na. Hindi ako medyo pogi. Pero kapag
But
nabili...
wait, no joke. You can actually replace the glasses with prescription.
Yeah.
So cool. So you
That's
can
so
actually
cool.
use it for
Fun fact
reading
about
and
that.
making your eyesight better.
it could be for anything.
Yeah.
Pero maganda
For
naman siya,
everyone.
anti-radiation and other minerals.
Anyways, guys, there's still things to watch out for though.
Oh, yeah.
Horizon's horizon. There's always something on the horizon.
Katulad dito, di ba? No one saw it coming.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's endless
Surprise!
It's an endless journey. for
I'm
sure.
back.
But guys, if you haven't yet, go get your tickets for the Watson's Playlist concert on August 18 we're alongside with Kaya, G22, Alamat, and SB19.
Yay.
We're very honored to perform alongside with P-pop acts, and we are gonna do our best there. So hopefully you guys come. We'll watch. We'll see you
We're
guys
as
there.
excited as you guys are.
Yes.
We hope you got your tickets ready.
So remember, August 18.
Because I heard like the tickets are running out fast.
They are running out fast.
So-
I think some of the sections are already sold out. So time is ticking, guys. So go check it out.
Get your tickets. Watson's playlist.
Yes.
August 18.
August 18.
Yeah, see you there.
See you there.
See you
And
there.
of course, come on, guys. With our new partnership with JBL, there's gonna be many things that will be cooked up for you guys. So please stay tuned.
Yeah.
Because we're now part of the JBL family. So thank you, JBL family.
Congratulations!
We love you guys.
Hey, oh.
Yes, so please watch out for
JBL family.
Yes.
And what do you guys think? When do you guys think Horizon will make their comeback? I'm curious when
We're actually preparing it, right?
what? We're not.
Okay.
But yes.
Pretend that you don't hear it.
No, I mean, of course, at some point we will prepare for a comeback. We will comeback, okay? So just stay tuned, guys. Because it can happen anytime. It can happen later.
Anytime,
or tomorrow.
anywhere.
Anywhere. Anywhere, everywhere, every time.
Yes.
Don't panic, it's organic.
Yes, organic.
So, you're so smart. Live, love,
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, if you guys are wondering where we are,
No, don't do
where on Earth, guys.
No! We're on the planet Namek.
Galing tayo sa planet namin. Ngayon nasa Earth na tayo.
Is mamaya
That's
pupunta
right.
tayong
Mars.
Yeah. Mars pa utang. Mars pa utang, bili na kayo nito.
Oh, yeah, tama. Yeah.
Yeah, wait, let's check how many likes there are.
Actually, yeah, we should
Hey, we have 426,000. Oh! It's up. It's up.
430,000 guys.
Oh no.
It's already 436. Oh.
Yeah.
Pataas siya ng pataas, guys.
Love you.
Yeah.
Love you.
Wow.
Guys, we love you guys for the bottom of my heart and from the planet of the earth. Yes.
So yeah.
We're the sun in the moon.
Thank you so much for the people who are sending gifts. For the people. Look, puppy booty at the screen. We love you
Yeah,
guys.
Ipatry mo yung music sa kanila.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Wait.
Try it.
Pakinggan nyo.
Wait lang.
Dapat mo yung Guys, isuot mo sa mata mo. Paano nila
Hindi sa kanila, may suot. Narinig niyo guys.
Naririnig nyo ba guys? Diba? Ang galing. Pag suot nyo talaga to, rinig na rinig nyo yung bass. Sobrang ganda.
Yan.
Malope.
Wow, live selling.
Pero wala naman nata. Wala.
Actually, nakita ko rin. Kunwari lang, di ko nakita.
Wala.
Guys, kunwari na lang. Wala
naman, walang nakapansin.
Hindi nila napansin.
Reveal na yung...
Walang nakapansin.
Hindi.
Tao lang din ako.
Yung mga viewers, guys,
May kulangot din.
naka-focus sila sa sa JBL na new product.
Ay!
So, walang nangyari.
Hindi daw nila nakita kasi naglalag daw.
Perfect!
Tanggalin ko na kaya. Joke.
Guys, ano ibig sabihin ng FB10? Ano yun?
FB10?
It's like load. Yeah, load for
Nagpapaload sila sa atin.
yeah, I
10
think-
pesos? 10 pesos?
Yeah.
Guys, hindi kami papaload
For
dito.
ML.
Bakit mo? Kasi hindi ako
Yan yung...
I have never used my FB since. Hindi ako own it.
Wow.
Paano tanggalin?
Guys, nabalik ko na yung yung hikaw ko.
Tanggalin tayo.
Actually, nagsara talaga siya pero... Ito.
FB10 means lag. Because it's
Nabalik
like
ko ulit.
free
Oh.
data. Yeah. So it's...
Kasi
pag FB10 for
FB10 guys.
Guys, naupuan ko siya. Hindi siya nabasag.
Pero
Real.
we don't recommend sitting on
Yeah.
don't, because it's made out of titanium. You're the one who's gonna get broken.
It's obsidian.
Is this mine? Thank you.
Okay.
Kailangan nyo na magsuot kasi lumiliwanag na.
Tapos, parang gumagaan yung hininga.
Hindi, pero sa totoo, no joke siya. No joke siya. Di ba, alam naman natin yung mga JBL, ano talaga siya, parang advanced yung system niya sa mga music. So, maganda talaga siya. Hindi namin kayo inuuto. Kaya, bili na kayo.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Grabe na ang mga lights
Yeah, no, but for real though, all jokes aside, we're still very thankful for this partnership that we got because we ourselves use JBL products before, so it's just so cool, to be able to partner with them. And yeah, guys, stay tuned for more. We're always gonna be doing something. And of course, special thanks again to 이상철 선배님. 너무 감사합니다. 사랑해요.
사랑하고!
Okay, you end the live. Someone do it.
Yeah,
Bye
because-
guys.
Isa pa ulit, last bili na kayo kasi
Okay,
painit na yung panahon. Yan.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
Bye, guys.
Guys, kalimutan niyo.
Love you.
Annyeong.